So it can be customized to be whatever the partner wants. And then we have this pod where you can flip through the photos and drag them out if you want to take a closer look. And then throw them back in.
So that's like a collection tool?
Exactly. It's
How
your
many of those
library.
can you have?
Right now we just have it set to one.
Okay.
And if you want to get
and then
a
there's the button.
yeah, so if you want to, you can do that, and you can also, there are categories, so you can pick a different category.
Are those tagged by what you normally tag in the picture gallery?
The
Photo gallery?
implementation now doesn't quite use tags because they're a little non-standard, but we do directories for the venue. But we do use metadata in other features, which I have to limit my demo. But yeah, we can use the photo metadata to categorize things, and then you can transfer it into a grid view. We found, I was always saying, well, no, the pod's all you need. You can just flip through them, you can go to categories, but enough people say, I've got to see my stuff in a grid. And so we do grids, and you can pick different groups in the grid. And we scale to as many photos as you can throw at us, basically.
Does it expand? It must expand vertically as well as ends.
Yeah, right now we kind of keep it pretty simple. Because the problem with doing that relaying out, adding more rows, is you lose your place pretty quickly. So this is really just the simple UI. That being said, we're always trying to push it a little more.
Sure.
And you can also put your own content in there. So if they have a card reader set up, I'm not going to demo that right now. But if you have a card reader, part of our feature set is you pull it out of your camera, throw it in there, and all your photos show up. And it's a really great experience. Especially compared to some of the like photo kiosks or desktop things where you have to go through a bunch of UI. We just show it right up there for you. Yeah, you can like fling this guy around. And also, if you kind of just want more of a slideshow, you can make this guy bigger and then flip through your photos to get a bigger view.
So you have to tap each one?
You can tap, or you can flick them. Take the ones out you wanna hang on to, flip more.
Does it have an autoplay mode where it could just flip?
This one doesn't, but there's definitely been some requests for that. And if you want to go through all the photos, that's when you would want to go to the grid mode and do a little more, see them all at the same time.
What would be cool is if you, on this grid mode, if I were to touch this, well, yeah, it does expand.
Yeah, you can get a little preview.
Okay, yeah, okay, that's probably.
So you kind of put this back
Yep.
in, and then yank it back out.
You can throw it back in. It'll stop playing when you drop it back in.
Right, so let's pull it back out.
So anyway,
It falls underneath.
yeah. You can get this guy out of the way if you want. The problem is if you drag enough photos out, you start you can lose the this. If this thing fell underneath, you would lose it pretty quickly.
Got it.
And so we just keep it on top of all the photos,
Is there
which
a
is sort
way-
of a
which way to
trade-off.
get them all back in there?
Not right now. You can either you can go back, restart the app, or actually when you switch content, if you go to your personal content and stuff, it will do